Hello student, this video is related to your exercise 2.3 question number 3rd. Obtain all other zero of polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two zero of its are under root of 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. So here highest power of x is 4, so 0 above polynomial is also 4. So 2 0 is given, then we find to another 0. Let p of x equal 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. Since 2 0 are root 5 upon 3 and minus root 5 upon 3. So by the condition of 0 polynomial, this both the value is equal 0. So a minus b and a plus b formula is a square minus b square. So we use this identity x square minus under root 5 upon 3 whole square. So square se root cancel, so x square minus 5 upon 3 equals 0. Multiply by 3 on whole equation, we get 3x square minus 5. So this 3x square minus 5 is the factor of this polynomial. So we divide 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by 3x square minus 5 by the preceding process of division. This is 3x power 4 and 3x square. So 3x power 4 upon divided by 3x square, 3 is 3 cancel, x power 4 divided by x power 2, so we get x square. So we multiply x square by whole term. So x square multiply 3x square, 3x power 4 and x square multiply minus 5 minus 5x square. Change in symbol, this is cancel and 3x cube minus 2x square plus 5x square plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Now 6x power 3 is divided by 3x square. So we get 2x. So we multiply 2x by whole polynomial. So we get 3x cube minus 10x. Alternate sign, this is cancelled and 3x square minus 5. So 3x square is divided by 3x square, we get 1. So 1 multiplied by 3x square minus 5, 3x square minus 5. Alternate sign, we get 0. Here p of x equal 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. G of x equal 3x square minus 5. Q of x equal x square plus 2x plus 1. And r of x equal 0. So this is the another factor of this polynomial. So by using division algorithm, p of x equal q of x into g of x plus r of x, we put all this value and this is the whole square of x plus 1 whole square, and this is factor we arrange in a previous page, x minus root under root 5 upon 3 and x plus under root 5 upon 3. So this x plus 1 whole square is x plus 1 and x plus 1. So we get x equal minus 1 and x equal minus 1. So minus 1 root 5 upon 3 and minus 5 root 5 upon 3 are the four factor of polynomial 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So 2 factor is already given and we get x equal minus 1 and again minus 1 is the another 2 factor of this polynomial. Your question number 4 is on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x. The quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. अभी तक के क्वेश्चन में आपको g of x and p of x गिवन था, देन आप वी फाइंड रिमाइंडर एंड क्वोशिएंट, बट हियर p of x and remainder and quotient are given, so we find g of x. So here given p of x equal x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 and q of x equal x minus 2 and r of x equal minus 2x plus 4 and g of x we will find. So we know that by division algorithm, p of x equal g of x into q of x plus r of x. We put all the value p of x, q of x and r of x, this formula. So we get x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 equal g of x, and value of q of x is x minus 2 plus value of r of x is minus 2x plus 4. So we minus 2x plus 4 LHS में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन वी गेट दिस वैल्यू. सो x माइनस 2 कहाँ आएगा, डिवाइड में आएगा. तो डिवाइड में आने पहले तो एक्स क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर, एक्स प्लस 2x 3x एंड 2 माइनस 4 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल gx इंटू एक्स माइनस 2. सो x माइनस 2 कहाँ जाएगा, डिवाइड में जाएगा. इट मीन्स दैट if x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2, so we get value of g of x. So we divide this polynomial by this. So used by preceding method, x cube upon x, so we get x square. So we multiply x square by this polynomial. So x square multiply x, x cube, x square multiply minus 2x square. Change in symbol, this is cancel and minus 3x square plus 2x square minus x square. Again minus x square is divided by x, so we get minus x. So we multiply minus x in this polynomial, minus x multiply x minus x square, minus x multiply minus 2 plus 2x. Change in symbol, plus minus this is cancel, 3x minus 2x x and minus 2. Again x is divided by x, we get 1. So we multiply 1 by this polynomial x minus 2. Change in symbol, we get remainder 0. So this is our gx. It means this polynomial is divided by this. So we get g of x, value of g of x is what? X square minus x plus 1. Again, now your question number 5 is give example of polynomial p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. And आपको ऐसे एग्जाम्पल देना है जिसमें आपका p of x, g of x, q of x and r of x सेटिस्फाई करे डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम को इन सम कंडीशन. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिग्री ऑफ पी एक्स इज इक्वल डिग्री ऑफ क्यू ऑफ एक्स. इट मीन्स आपको ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल का एग्जांपल देना है, ऐसे पी ऑफ एक्स, जी ऑफ एक्स, क्यू ऑफ एक्स एंड आर ऑफ एक्स की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है जिसमें डिग्री ऑफ पी ऑफ एक्स किसके इक्वल हो, डिग्री ऑफ क्यू ऑफ एक्स से. तो अपन यहाँ अपने मन से कुछ भी लेट कर सकते हैं. हियर सो वी लेट पी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल 6x square plus 2x plus 2 and g of x equal 2. So we multiply this polynomial by this, so we get 2 multiply 6x square is divided by 2, so we get 3x square. Here degree of p of x is 2 and degree of q of x is also 2, so degree of p of x is equal degree of q of x. We satisfy also this division algorithm by preceding method of division. Again second question, degree of q of x is equals to degree of r of x. So we let p of x equal x power 3 plus x and g of x equal x square. So we multiply this polynomial by this. So we get x square is x cube is divided by x square. So we get x. So x multiply x cube. We get x cube multiply x square, so x. So we multiply x by x square, we get x cube. So here degree of q of x is 1, x power कुछ नहीं है, मतलब क्या है 1, and degree of r of x is also 1. And also we satisfy division algorithm, g of x into q of x plus r of x. Value of g of x is x square, value of q of x is x, and value of r of x is also x. So x square multiply x, x cube plus x, which is our p of x. In third, degree of r of x is 0. So we let p of x is x cube plus 1. Degree of r of x is mean 0, it is constant value. So p of x equal x cube plus 1 and g of x equal x square. So we divide this polynomial by this x cubes. We again divide x cube by x square, we get x. So we multiply x by x square, x cube. This is cancel and 1. So degree of so here remainder is 1, it means it is constant. So any polynomial which is constant, which is degree is 0. So degree of r of x is 0. Also we satisfy division algorithm, p of x equal g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here g of x is x square, q of x is x and r of x is 1. So x square into x, x cube plus 1, which is our p of x. So we also satisfy division algorithm. So our exercise 2.3 and chapter 2 is finished. In next video we will discuss chapter number 1, which is based on rational number and irrational number. Okay, thank you.